Hey, what's up, guys? How is it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash some subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you get so notified. So, literally in this video, I'm gonna walk you through the real-time Zenith bank loan process and how you can actually apply for personal loan or business loan with Zenith Bank in Nigeria. So, this is actually the right page for you to get the direct process on how you can actually apply for Zenith Bank personal loan in real time. And also, I'm going to provide the direct link to this page in the description below so that I can literally have access to this page and be able to proceed and process the Zenith Bank loan within your end. And you can also apply through your mobile phone or through your PC. Anyone you are using out of the both device will actually work perfectly. And I also want to tell you that you can also reach out to the customer support through this web page. And if you are on mobile phone, you have to make use of a browser that you can actually convert to PC view so that you'll be able to have access to the right page and also see this page like this. And once you convert it to PC view, so you'll be able to have access to chat the support here. So you can chat with support here and ask any kind of question you would like to, and they'll be able to provide more help for you. So that is just for the chat section. And literally, if you want to apply for loan using the Zenith Bank real-time loan application process, so this is how you can actually get started for the loan process. And on this section, you can see from time to time in life and business, we find ourselves needing a little or a lot of money, more than what we have actually with us, and pressing financial goals. At Zenith Bank, our loan offering provide a fallback position to secure the funds you need. So literally, that actually means that they understand the fact that everyone might need little to much more money to actually get started for a business purpose or personal use, but then they literally don't have what they want or what they need as at that time. So instead of that, Zenith Bank is actually here for you to provide you a loan which you can actually lean on and use to start your career business, and then you'll be able to pay back the loan as at when you choose to pay back the loan between you and the app. That will just be between you, and this is the times loan which you can also look into, because these are very important things you literally need to look into before you get a loan from any bank in Nigeria. So terms loan is credit, short time, medium time, long time, available to finance specific capital project, expansion or line of business for a specified tenure. Repayment can be bullet, balloon or installment. So anyhow you want to choose to pay back, probably on a B monthly or yearly. So this also depends on how much you are requesting from Zenith Bank loan. So they'll be able to figure out how much you are going to pay back for the kind of amounts you are requesting for from the bank. So this is another section which is lease. So you can also lease specification finance or sell or lease back financing to support the acquisition of assets or equipment. So which means that you can lease out any property you like to lease out, and you're able to get cash to start a business or anything you actually want to start with. So after going through all the whole process and you feel like you abide with the terms and conditions that Access Bank, Zenith Bank actually laid down. So then the next thing for you to do is just to proceed on to apply for the loan. So you can literally apply for the loan here, and it's very easy to apply for a loan with Zenith Bank. So after you click on it, then you'll be able to see this page, I guess. So you're able to see this page. The page is actually loading. So with that, you will be able to proceed on to the loan, and then I don't know why it's showing from error. I don't know why it's showing error, but then the page is actually working perfectly as at when I checked it some hours ago before making this video, of course. So you can check them anytime from your own end, so you will have access to this page. Then you can proceed on and request for a loan in real time with Zenith Bank. And let me know through the comment section if you are able to get a loan with the bank, or if you are not. So let me know through the comment, and I will definitely attend to it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Peace.